I've been doing these puzzle mystery quilts for quite some time. One of the things I just love about these is I just get this little package, I unpackage it, and I'm right away sewing. There's no cutting at all. I'm doing the small in the flamingo in this beautiful colorway, and it all comes together in just a few moments. I speed it up as a time lapse to get to see it even quicker. I hope you enjoy. And clue 8 is all done. Let's take a look at the final block. And we have two of these this time around. So we've got one of the economy blocks covered around with these beautiful florals around the outside. I'm very curious to see how this goes. Do you think this is a corner piece, or do you think it's something else? Let me know what you think in the comments as well. We've only got 2 more months of this to go. One more clue and then the whole finishing instructions. So this time in November, we'll have the final results. And if you want to join in on the puzzle mystery action, you can join on the new one, which is Under the Sea, which I'm also doing in Batiks. This is one I just finished quite recently as well. You can go over to the Cotton Cut site and sign up, and also use my code SEANSEA as well. To get you an extra little gift in your package. Well, I hope you enjoyed it today. If you did, please hit that like button. Tell a friend. I always love hearing comments from my viewers. Hope you'll have a great day. Happy sewing, and we'll see you all next time. Bye.